going on, guys? It's your boy Malik, and I'm back again, okay? And you remember I made a video on Sunday that I need to, because I went over the profit limit for TopStep, I need to basically split my 2 extra profits into 2 days, so Monday and Tuesday. And the day is over, man. Like I said, I was going past it. I passed it tremendously. Like I almost went over the limit again though, but I had to like quickly like market close basically. Like as soon as I hit the 1K, I was like, okay, close. I don't want to go over the limit again, because like as you can see, I went over the limit. I went over the limit by like 2,800. But anyways, this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through with me while I like activate basically my top step. So just come in here. I got the email. It says congratulations. You know what I mean? On passing the trading combine. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let my winners run, bro. I'm telling you. You know, but so obviously, like, basically, like when you think about it, I passed most of mine during overnight. But I took obviously like morning trades. The morning trades, usually the best time to trade in the morning is like anywhere between like 9:30 to 11:30. That's where the perfect setups usually happen. But like even last night, like usually mostly I took trades at night, and then I took my profit, made the quick 1K, and that was it. But it was the setups that happen usually at night, the pretty good setups, and they're slow too. But anyways, let's get to it. Let's get straight to it. So congratulations, you passed your combine. But I watched like so many YouTube videos on this, I ain't even gonna read it. I'm just gonna click activate. Hey, sorry for the high pitched voice. Yo, okay. Express funded account agreement. Hey, make sure y'all read this, okay? But you know, I watch so many YouTube videos, I already know what's in here. But you know what? I'm gonna download this for future reference. You know what I mean? Well, let me get that PDF real quick. Future reference. All right, cool. Blah blah blah. Let's all pretend we read all this. All right. Yes, we agree. All right. Pay for your activation. All right, it's loading. They're using Stripe, so they're probably using like WordPress or something. All right. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna skip some of this because I don't want y'all to see my banking information now. You know. Okay, guys. So I finished. I put in all my information, and it said, "Thank you. Your payment has been made." Okay. Your payment has been made. All right. So I think that's it basically. But hey, make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But I don't even care, man. Just hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let me know your experience about TopStep or whatever like that. You know, like this is a future. This is a true step to like being a full-time funded trader. Yeah, just come join the journey with me. You know, like I'm more than happy to look at charts for you guys. If you guys want me to look at charts, make some good analysis, come hang out with me. You know, hang out with me, make my channel fun. You know, I'm open to everything. You know, documenting my process through my life. Basically, this channel is basically documenting the process of my life. You know, and like everything that goes on my trading life. You know what I mean? You know, yeah, basically, yeah. But like, show some support. Leave a comment below. Leave a like, so I can get that 3,000 watch hours, man. I'm telling you, that thing is a struggle. But anyways, yo, hey, it's your boy Malik. Yeah, I'm out. Peace.